Hi, I'm Shannon Henry, an applications engineer here at EMA Design Automation. Today we are going to be talking about the fabrication data package. It is very important to give the manufacturer all the necessary information so your board is produced correctly. But what information does the manufacturer actually need to produce your board? There are several different necessary files that will need to be supplied during the fabrication process. These are Gerber data, netlist, drill file, a neutral database design file, and a fabrication drawing. Gerber data is referred to as the artwork. And should be completed for each layer. Your PCB software should be able to output these files, which will become the basis for the copper pattern. Make sure to select the RS-274X as the output. This option utilizes a special technology known as embedded apertures to create the artwork shapes. Please note you should give each artwork layer a name that is a clear functional description, communicating its purpose without actually viewing the document. You will also need the industry standard design continuity verification output. This is comprised of the IPC 2581 or ODB++ output, as well as the IPC D356 format netlist. This will allow the manufacturer to ensure the provided artwork matches the design intent electrically before and after fabrication. An industry standard drill file should also be provided. Drill files define the X and Y coordinates of the hole. The common file format for this is Epsilon. Keep in mind the numerical value denotes the finished hole size, not the drill size. Providing a neutral database design file allows the manufacturer to determine the design intent. Unlike graphic representations of the design, the database provides intelligent data including net names and connections. Providing this information can help solve artwork anomalies and move the design through the manufacturing process quickly. The best output formats for a neutral database are IPC 2581 and ODB++. However, some manufacturers will accept ASCII. Along with these file formats, the fabrication drawing will act as a guide for manufacturing and inspection. Since there are many items needed to create a fabrication drawing, it will be the focus of its own Whiteboard Wednesday session. Keep an eye out for this and other Whiteboard Wednesday sessions from the PCB design experts here at EMA Design Automation.